Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix like controller stick drift for like the Xbox Series X/S controller. Honestly, this works on any controller, but yeah. And let's get started. So the first thing I recommend doing is, so on your controller, basically just like put this to the left side, and you see like this crevice that's open right here, like just blow into it like with your mouth, or you can like maybe use like something that's small like a toothpick, I guess, and then you can just like clean out if there is any dirt. Just be careful, slowly like clean it out, but I would recommend just blowing some air onto it because that also does work. So just do that with like every single angle. And once you do that, the second thing you guys can do, or the second method you guys can do, is just once you like so just basically like move this to a certain angle and just click on it like 5 times. So like just press it down basically, and like this basically, just press it down. And this has worked for me in the past, that's why I do recommend this, even though this does look like a little bit of a weird fix, but yeah. And then just also you can just do it like inwards as well, and basically just do that for as long as how much you want. And another thing for like games like Call of Duty, especially Black Ops 6, where they give you so many options, like Dead Zone, what you can do with Dead Zone is you can play around with the Dead Zone. I'm pretty sure the higher the Dead Zone, the better the thing, or you might have to like watch some videos on that. Like I think, I mean, yeah, it is, I'm pretty sure like the higher the Dead Zone, like the better your stick drift, the less it happens. But like for more like specific like results, like just watch any videos for like Black Ops 6 or Modern Warfare, whatever game you currently have. But yeah, that zone does help as well. And then the final thing you guys can do is just, once it's kind of similar to the second step, but you just do this, and then like the open space, you just press on that instead. I'm recording with one hand, so it's kind of like hard to do, but like you just press in there like 5 times, and this does surprisingly work. Like you just gotta keep on pressing it, and then once you do all of that, you should be good to go. Again, I recommend the blowing one, like blowing on like the crevice, so like with air, so like any dust or any dirt that's in it, it could just get cleaned out. And then also just pressing it. Also the Dead Zone does help as well. And yeah, so that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.